Welcome to Ask the Lawyer radio podcast with attorney Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux and Associates. This podcast features a recording of our most recent radio show aired weekly in New York City. We hope you enjoy the show, which features news, views, and interviews on matters such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. You can contact us at 855-768-8845 or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. You have questions? We've got the answers.
Good day, good day, good day. My name is Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Martin Luther King, he died for us. Malcolm X died for us. Marcus Garvey deported for us, and Marcus Garvey was given an executive order pardon by President Biden as he left. Yes, our civil rights leaders, they have paid the price. President Trump, he wants to started to reverse in his first term as the 45th, and now in his second term as the 47th President of the United States of America. I call him KKK Russian Trump. KKK because he has the ideology from his family, his attitude towards people of color. They all signal that KKK Russian Trump will do whatever is necessary to destroy people of color. What he says most times is not what he does. He's one of those guys that sneaks up on your back telling you you're a nice guy and have a knife up your back. Is that how capitalist works? What is KKK Russian Trump? With the oligarchs that he's working with now, if you understand the theory of Karl Marx, it signals the end of capitalism. Is KKK Russian Trump truly a capitalist or communist? My name is Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Visit our website, the law firm of Figeroux and Associates, at www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. What we do is educate our clients. At our website, you will see hundreds of articles. Articles with our Caribbean American weekly publication, New Black Voices, the Immigrant's Journal, and Workers' World Today. We need you to be educated about life, about money, about progress. We need you to understand and interpret things that obviously Congress passes and the executive orders of KKK Russian Trump. He did many of them. He's going to do more, and none of those executive orders are consistent with what he said in the past in terms of how he sees people of color, what he wants to do for America, whether they are black, white, or brown. Yes, when you put taxes, excise taxes on goods and services, we pay, the consumer pay, the general public pay. What is he going to do with that money? Who does it benefit? And why does he want to put 25% tax on Mexico and Canada? Yes, we will pay. It's called inflation. And I hope Wall Street understands this, because Wall Street's supposed to go down, not up. Unless, obviously, the Wall Street people don't understand basic economic theory. That is what lawyers do for their clients. They have to understand the facts, understand the law, and represent their clients properly. That's why we tell our Chapter 7 clients who file for bankruptcy, it is better to get rid of the debt if you can than to consolidate. When an attorney tells you Chapter 13 rather than Chapter 7, and common sense says it's Chapter 7, that attorney may want to bill you more money, but at what cost to you, the consumer? When you get a divorce, should it be contested or uncontested? Does the attorney understand issues of equitable distribution in New York State? Does the attorney understand that you don't divorce your children? You don't divorce your money. You divorce your spouse. As far as immigration issues are concerned, we want litigation against KKK Russian Trump on all his executive orders. He understands that the 14th Amendment gives people the right, if they have a child in this country, a child born in this country is a U.S. citizen. He believes that he's above the U.S. Constitution. That's why organizations like the American Civil Liberties Union obviously will challenge his executive order. Is it arrogance? Is it stupidity, ignorance, that he doesn't understand the laws of the United States of America? If he has contempt for the Constitution, what does he have for federal and state laws? Is that an additional contempt he may have, that he thinks he's above the law? People who think they're above the law are normally common criminals. And those common criminals, like the ones that he pardoned, almost 1,500 of them, not only did they destroy property, but 4 law enforcement people died in Washington. So he doesn't even respect law enforcement, law and order. What type of president in the United States of America in modern times could do things like this and get away with it? Unfortunately, a lot of people voted, 48 out of the 50 states, they voted for KKK, Russia, and Trump. What does that say about the general public? What does it say about what is our motivation? Do we read and understand why we vote and who we should vote for? There's one religion that comes to mind. The one that this guy from Mission Impossible, what's his name, belongs to. This Church of Scientology. They think only smart people should be allowed to vote. People who could read, people who could write, and people who could think. Is that a signal that obviously that we have a lot of stupid people in America? Well, we need to look at the educational system, because one of the areas that Trump wants to bring immigrants from other countries is the H-1B. That's for intelligent people. And America lacks intelligent people. And who is supporting it? The 3 oligarchs. Amazon, the car company, they call it Tesla. And what's the other one? Yes. Amazon, Tesla, and Facebook, yeah. Facebook said that they're not going to, fact check anymore. Well, who needs facts when you have President KKK Russian Trump? So facts doesn't matter for the next 4 years. And hopefully, we will do better in this democracy to preserve it 4 years from now. My name is Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux & Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. When you give us a call, you deal with an intelligent law firm that understands the law, analyzes the law, and come to the best advice for you, our listeners. Again, the number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. The website for the law firm of Figeroux & Associates is www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. When we represent you, we give you a plan of action, which we follow, which is to the best to obviously represent you with the highest credibility, research, everything that will make your case successful. Thank you.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.